Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me for another home body weight workout. Today I'm going to do an ab workout and a oblique workout along with aerobics. I like to mix it up for a full and overall workout for fat loss, fat burning, and also to work out the abs at the same time. So, if you are just beginning your workout, or for example, if you only like to do aerobics and really don't like to do strength training, one of the best things you can do is just start out with some aerobics. Okay, and here with my silly looking blue sandals on, because I like to wear sandals in the house. Anyway, so my silly looking sky blue sandals. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with some aerobics and play a little music in the background. Hopefully you can hear it. Okay, so just start out with some, basic aerobics. And then I can mix it up with some crunches or some sit-ups. But I'm also going to do some aerobics to just get the heart rate going, get the blood circulating, get you motivated to work out at the same time, okay? So, in this one, I start out just kind of moving my legs up and down to get used to the motion. And then try to lift my knees up as high as I can, and my arms up as high as I can. Moving my legs up as high as I can, just really kind of tones the midsection, tones your abs and tones your midsection, okay, and overall, and burns fat. Okay, so very good. And then switch to side-to-side exercises. So swing your hips at the same time you're swinging your legs to the opposite sides. Very good for the obliques. This is one of the best oblique workouts that I find.
Do you think you're better off alone?
Okay, and then you can mix it up with some of these, which are also very good for the obliques. Kind of look like an Apsara dancer, and you want to lift your arms up like an Apsara dancer to sort of balance yourself out. Keep yourself balanced so you don't fall down. Okay? Very good for the obliques. Very good for fat loss on the overall midsection. Okay? Just lifting your legs up to the sides. And lifting your arms up to help yourself balance. Okay? Alright. And if that wasn't exhausting enough, you can also mix it up. Lift your knees up as high as you can to your elbows. Swing your body and move your elbow and try to touch your knee. Try to touch your knee to your elbow. Okay, so that gives you some good aerobics, and then you can mix it up with some crunches, okay? So as we're doing the aerobics, mix it up with some crunches. There are different footing positions you can use. You can do just straight up and down, like I'm going to do today. You can do middle out, about middle of the range, or you can do really far out, like so. And those are really difficult, okay? But you should vary it. I'll always vary it, okay? Today, I'm going to do just straight up and down, okay? They all target different areas of your abs. Okay? And you can mix it up with some of these. side to side. Oh, so, okay. And I'll show you what that looks like from the front. Again, I'm just putting my feet, close in. Okay. Close in, not midways, not outwards. You can do in any way you want, but just make sure you vary your exercise. All right. Okay, so we're targeting the obliques. Let's go back to the aerobics again. Put the chair, get out of the way. So again, put our hands up. The boot camp. This is the aerobics and ab obliques boot camp suite. That's what they call it. The boot camp suite. So you can just lift your knees up and your arms up as high as possible. Okay, then just swing your hips from side to side. Swing your legs, feet to the opposite side.
Do you think you're better off alone?
Okay, and then you have Sarah. Just lift your legs up to the side while, keeping your hands up, arms up to help balance yourself. Okay, and then you twist your body and lift your knees up to your elbow. Don't put your elbow down to your knees. Lift your knees up to your elbow. This is a bit more of an advanced aerobics and ab exercise. So if you're unable to do it right away, work your way up to it, okay? Lift your knee up as high as you can. Tremendous workout for your entire body. Also helps you with balance and overall coordination. Okay. Whew. And then back to the crunches. Back to the crunches. Okay. So this one, again. It's a nice little crunch workout there. Oh, the aerobics, and you should be feeling it by now. This is an excellent ab workout. You're gonna love it. You just do this, men, women. You can do this at home in a very short amount of time. In the morning, in the afternoon, after work. So good for just burning fat. It doesn't take long, It's like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever you have time. Really works out your abs and your midsection. Helps you to lose weight by mixing the aerobics with the strength training. Fantastic work.
Just for a short while, it's a fine day. People open windows, they leave their houses. Just for a short while, it's a fine day. People open windows, they leave their houses. Just for a short while, it's a fine day. People
Okay. to try to do the crunches one more time, then we'll go for another round of aerobics, and then maybe some more crunches, and then possibly call it quits. We don't have to do it very long. It's consistency that's key. You don't have to, do aerobics for hours and hours and hours one day, and then take the rest of the week off. It's actually better if you just do it like 20 minutes a day, instead of doing it 1 hour or 2 hours one day and then not doing anything the rest of the week. Do 20 minutes 3 times a week, or 20 minutes 4 times a week, or every day, or whenever you have time. You gotta burn that fat. You gotta keep that body in good shape. Tone, strength training, mix it with the strength training. Fantastic. Okay, consistency is the key, man. Consistency is the key, folks. Alright, so let's go back to the aerobics. Okay, your arms up as high as you can. Put your knees up as high as you can. Breathe normally. Okay, swing your feet from side to side. Side to side, folks. Your arms up, feet side to side. Swing those hips. Swing your legs to the opposite side. Your feet to the opposite side. Really target those obliques. Okay, side to side. That's our. Lift your legs up to the side. Lift your arms up, your hands up to help you balance as you're doing it. Okay, and then, knees up to the elbows. Swing those hips, knees up to elbows, or as high as you can get. Okay, and then back to the crunches. Back to crunches. Crunch it. Okay. Woo! Great workout, man. Great workout, folks. You'll notice a difference very quickly in a couple months. If you're gonna be in the heavy around the midsection. You got obliques that are hanging out. Many people do. I used to have. Nothing to be ashamed of. Just do this workout, 3 times a week. You'll lose it fast. I guarantee you'll lose it fast. It's free, and you don't need an ab machine or something from an infomercial. And you don't need that stuff at all. What you need is to do your aerobics and your strength training, your crunches, your sit-ups at the same time for about 20 minutes a day. That's all you need for free at home. A little bit of motivation, you can do it. Okay.
Here comes the music.
Alright, that's pretty much all there is to it. I might try a couple more crunches. They're not that difficult. Once you get to it, once you get down to it, it's really not that hard.
Excuse me. Where's the place draw?
Okay, wow, that was about it. So, everyone, just stay motivated to work yourself out at home. That is a fantastic aerobic workout, and you don't need machines, you don't need some special programs, some special secrets or something. All you need is to mix your strength training with your aerobics and some nifty, spiffy exercises like I showed you there with the swinging the legs back and forth and lifting the knees up. Lifting your arms up and your legs up as high as you can, and mix with the crunches or the sit-ups, man, and you got a fantastic ab blasting boot camp suite that will work you out like you've never and help you lose weight around the midsection like nothing you've ever seen, I guarantee. All right. Anyway, this is Byron, and thank you very much, everyone, for working out at home. Everyone, stay motivated to work out at home. Man, you can do it so easy, free. Do it in your spare time. I sound like an infomercial already. All right, thank you very much, and everyone stay strong out there. Bye-bye. See you